How to get monetized here on the street of YT very fast in this year 2025. Yes, so as many of you that want to monetize, okay, that they have gotten your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, this is a video you just need to watch. Okay, hello guys, welcome you back again to my channel. My name is Obi. So if this is the very first time of coming across my channel, you are welcome. Please do what to like my video, share, okay, yeah, share my videos, and also drop a lovely comment. So today's video I'll be talking about teaching you guys how to get your videos monetized or your channels monetized in a very simple way in this year 2025. It's another thing for you to get your 1,000 subscribers, and there's another thing to get your 4,000 watch hours, okay, yes, in the street of YT. But right now they have even made it very easy for you guys, so you can as well get your 1,000 subscribers and get your 3,000 watch hour for you to start earning money here on the street of YouTube. Right now it's so easy for you to get your 1,000 subscribers. Now if you want to really get your 1,000 subscribers, you don't really know how to get your 1,000 subscribers, I have a video down my channel. Please go down my channel to get a video, watch that video, and just do everything that I told you in that video. Okay, now there are some basic things that we might be ignoring. You might have gotten your 1,000 subscribers, and now the next thing for you to get is to get your 4,000 watch hour, and this might take you forever for you to get it. When I first started my YouTube journey, it took me a long time for me to get it, but right now YouTube has made everything so easy. Some people here on the street of YT, they can just watch hours within the twinkle of 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, okay. But when we first started, it took us so many years because of we never knew that secret like this is already there. And meanwhile YouTube has made everything so easy for you guys. Okay, now the first thing that you need to know for you to get your 4,000 watch hours, or for you to get your watch hours here on the street of YT, so that you be monetized, number one, you just need to be very consistent. So many of you have heard that word consistent, and most of you might have tried it and you get fed up. You be like, I don't want to do again. Being consistent is one of the things that will help you here on the street of YT for you to get monetized so fast. Okay, right now we are in the year 2025. Last year December we embarked on a everyday posting of video. That is, we call it what, vlogmas, whereby you're posting videos every day. Okay, now what does it mean, posting video every day? It really helps a lot. It helps in building channels, it helps to build watch hours, and it helps you to build your community, whereby people will get to know you better. Okay, and also it helps you to even build yourself here on the street of YT, especially on your thumbnail, your title, and any other thing that you just need to know. It makes you to be very creative. YouTube has really helped us here on the street of YT, so you just have to be very consistent. Right now we are not on vlogmas, but you can as well create a challenge by yourself, whereby you'll be posting every day, and make sure that you are posting every day at a specific time, but if you can be posting, let me say, every hours or every 2 hours, is left for you, but make sure that you are posting every day, okay, at a specific time. And also make your video have value. Let your videos give value, so that when we are watching your videos, we'll be like, we understand what you're talking about, and I know it will feel so entertaining, and also it pass value. When we are watching your videos, we understand what you're talking about. It's not that you're just posting video and we don't even understand, it does not pass value. No, let your videos teach somebody something. When I'm watching your video, let me understand what you're talking about in your video. Okay, let it give me knowledge, let it give me value. So make sure that you are very consistent. It helps a lot. Make sure you are posting video every day, okay. Yes, just create a challenge by yourself. I know of somebody that created a challenge by herself for 2 months, and that was before she was monetized here on the street of YT. So try and do that. One thing on the street, when you make YouTube a business, all those things will not be hard for you. So try to make YouTube part of your business, and you find this thing very easy. Okay, now another thing that we need to take note is that we have to start implementing. Number 2 is making use of YouTube features here on the street of YT. What am I trying to say? YouTube has made it so easy for you guys. Okay, now those features, now if you can as well know that big YouTubers are using these features right now. They are using this feature despite that they are already big, because they know that it works and it helps their video to get more views. Okay, it helps their video to get more attentions. right now. Okay, now what are those features? We have the playlist, we have the cards, we have the end screen, and we also have the live streaming. Now the playlist, if you don't know how to create play, can also drop in the comment section, okay? And I'll have a video about that. I'll teach you guys how to create your playlist at the comfort of your zone. It's very, very easy. And also how to post your videos, okay, so that YouTube will recommend your videos to people. Playlist is very, very important in the sense that it will help you to stack your videos in a series whereby people will be watching you. It can be 10 hours, in 20 hours, 5 hours, okay? Now when I first started, you know, we organize ourselves in the sense that you watch for 5 hours, I'll watch you for 5 hours, and it helps us a lot. Now when you are going for live streaming, you meet people that are living outside the country, or if you are living outside the country, you're going to meet different kinds of people that will help you to to play your videos for a very long time. So you can as well use the opportunity and tell them, please help me to play my playlist, help me to watch my videos, help me, and they will genuinely help you. They will genuinely help you. So these are the ways of growing your watch hours here on the street of YT, and also how to use your cards and also your end screens. These are what you should start using so that you get your watch hours, so that it won't be like you're just creating your videos and you're not getting views. This will actually affect you. This will actually delay your videos, and this will make you to stay on the street without being monetized for a very, very long time. And I believe that you don't want that for your channel. And also going on live streaming. Live streaming is very, very important, okay? Now if you have been following me, you notice that I was demonetized before. I was demonetized not once, not 2 times. Seriously guys, I will not come here and lie. I was demonetized, but with this live streaming I was able to be monetized so fast. It didn't take me 2 months. I was monetized because, one, live streaming, you see different kind of people be coming to watch you. You'll be meeting new people on live streaming, and they'll be helping you to stream your videos. They'll be helping you to watch your videos. They'll be helping you. A lot of things is happening on live streaming. So going on live streaming is very, very important. But you need to attain your 1,000 subscribers. Okay, let me say 50 subscribers for you to be able to use your live streaming. Okay, so make sure that you get your 50 subscribers so that you'll be able to have this feature of going on live here on the streets of YT. Uploading your videos to shorts, uploading your long form videos to shorts, and you script out a short part of the video from the long form video, the captured one, the one that will capture somebody, or you put it in your short form video. Now after doing that, you just write the name and everything, then you put it in your related video, related in that short form video. Okay, now if you want to learn how to do that, please drop in the comment section. I'll be glad to drop that for you, because these are the ways that we need to start implementing on our channels so that we'll get monetized here on the street of YT. These are simple things that most of you guys don't know, and you are neglecting it, and you are here crying and looking for watch hours. Okay, so start implementing this on your channel, and you'll be able to get your 4,000 watch hours, your 3,000 watch hours here on the street of YT. Okay, get some part of your video and upload it here on shorts, a related video. Some people that after they have been monetized here on the street of YT, the work is done, they'll go and start flexing, they're believing they're making money, and lie. That is when the work starts, because you start implementing more work for you to get paid here on the street of YT. If not, 1 naira will not enter your account. That is very simple. So when you are monetized, that is when you start putting on the more work. That is when you start working, so that you will be, you will start earning as others are earning. You have to start working consistently and upload your videos every day, and make sure that you are giving out value to us here. Okay, make sure that as we are watching your videos, we are learning something from your videos. Take it as a challenge upon yourself that you will do it. And again, another thing that I want to add here, make sure you understand your niche. I've been watching some people's videos, and I see that today you do something different. Not like me now. I do tutorial on my channel. This channel that you are watching, I know most of you might know that I'm a vlog. I vlog and also do tutorial on my channel. Okay, I'm trying to fix my channel on a proper lane, and I believe that this year 2025 I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. I don't want to do any other thing on my channel. So you too, as you are watching me, please know what works for you. Know the kind of videos your audience are watching. Know what works for you and face it, because it's not really sweet whereby we post our videos getting 23 view, 40 view, 100 view. Is so frustrating. So know what works for you and stick to it. If your channel, if tutorial is good on your channel, focus on it. If vlogs is good on your channel, focus on it. It really help a lot, so that we will not miss things for ourselves. We will not miss things for ourselves. There are a lot of mistakes that we are doing here on the street of YT, and it's really affecting us. So this 2025, let us take it upon ourselves to try to correct ourselves, to correct our mistakes, so that we'll not, tell a story that touches the hearts. Okay, so with this, I'll be ending it up here. See you guys in another video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Okay, bye guys.